Hello mga friends! Ngayon po tayo ay gagawa ng chicken hamonado. So at first, magmamarinate po tayo ng 1 kg chicken sa 1/2 cup of soy sauce and then sa syrup po ng pineapple chunks. Then after po natin magmarinate, magpe-prepare po tayo ng panggisa. Next is we will add our 1 kg chicken, then we will cook this or igigisahin po natin siya until maging light brown. Ngayon po ay ating ihahalo ang marinated mixture na ginamit natin kaninang pangbabad. And then we will simmer this for 30 to 35 minutes. Then we will add water, so depende po sa inyo kung gaano karaming tubig ang ating ilalagay. Yung iba po kasi gusto yung medyo masabaw. Next is we will add our 2 cans of pineapple chunks. This time, we will add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then for our last ingredient, we will add salt and pepper to taste. Then that's it. It is ready to serve. Well, we hope you like our version of chicken hamonado. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Then enjoy cooking.